Let me put these goggles on and let's get back here in the shop. The brick is controlled by oil. It has 1, 2, 3, 4 solenoids that supply oil to the valves at the top of this engine. When these vehicles go to long-term storage, all the oil drains to the bottom and these solenoids are left dry and they're unable to function without their needed supply of oil. So what we have to do is prime the engine by pressing down the ball bearing here and allow all the air that's inside the brick to escape, and that's going to supply the function of oil. But let's see how successful I am with this. Well, it was so easy that time. I've never had that success in any other vehicle. It's only doing it now because it's needed. Well, how will air come out as you pouring it in? Try to rotate it real quick. Okay. You got it? Ooh. I'd have restored oil to the brick. The brick is the section on top of the multi-air engine that controls the valves that open up the solenoids, the solenoid valves. And we got oil pumping out. See y'all, try it again. It might start up. Hold the accelerator to the floor though. You got it? All right. Now we need that oil cap. All right. We made a mess there. Let's clean it up a little bit, but all right, fire it up, man. All right, are you holding the gas pedal? No, let off the gas pedal now. She's starting.
Right now.
Mac Jack Productions.